Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you're not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on our gold. Right now you can see that gold is not giving us a downtrend move. So we will be expecting a continuous drop to the downside. Now the reason why we'll be expecting that drop, we will be explaining it right now. But before that, if you are struggling as a trader in trading gold, you can't trade gold properly and you would want to learn, it is very simple. All you just have to do is join the Patreon channel, which we are covering the mentorship in the Patreon channel. It is just a 1 month mentorship program. Just 1 month. After 1 month, the mentorship will be over. And also in this mentorship, we are going to be offering free signal. There's going to be a free signal in the mentorship. So the link to the mentorship will be in the comment section. So join, learn how to trade properly. Now let's start with our trend. You clearly can see that as first gold will be giving us this rally, which is massive movement to the upside. We are having a series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So market has been trending and giving us that bullish move. Now if you take a look at this, you can clearly see that this is also a pattern. As you all know, this is the first touch. Then here comes the neckline. This is the second touch. And guess what? What can you see? This is our double top. So it indicates that markets will start reversing to the downside. Now, there is possible one thing like markets will likely do is like to give us a pullback or it eventually drop again. So our forecast on our bias gold is still to the downside. But let's wait for it to pull back, possibly around anywhere it pulls back, whatever way it pulls back. Or what we'll be looking for is looking for a sell setup. Once we get in the sell setup, we can now open for the sell.